Welcome to our Feng Shui tips for beginners. If you are new to Feng Shui, here's the guide for you. In this video, we will review the Feng Shui basics plus easy tips that you can use in your home. Let's check it out. 5 elements. In Feng Shui, we use the 5 element system, which come from Tao philosophy. The system look at the cycle of nature and how they work together to be in balance. The 5 elements are earth, metal, water, wood, and fire. Each element is associated with certain qualities as well as colors and shapes that can be used as design element if you'd like to enhance those qualities in your home and life. Commanding position. The commanding position is one of the fundamental basics in Feng Shui. It's important that your bed, desk, and stove are in common. Size. Each of the items represent a significant aspect of your life. The bed represents you, your stove represents your wealth and results, and your desk represents your career and path in life. In order to place your bed, that's also in command. Find a location in the room where the following is true. When you are sitting at the desk, lying in bed, or cooking, you can see the door without being directly in line with it. Room by room tips. Entry. The entry called the mouth of Qi is where energy enters your space. It is also what people see from outside your home, so it represents your face to the world. Make sure to keep this area clean and free of clutter so Qi can flow through easily. Living room. Living rooms are placed together with family and friends, so they should feel cozy and welcoming. Make sure you have comfortable seating enough for everyone who lives in the home, plus a few extra seats for girls. Healthy green plants can also be a great addition to the living room, as they add vital life force, energy, as well as a good element, which represents kindness and compassion. Kitchen. The kitchen is an important area of the home because it represents how we nourish ourselves. One way to improve your kitchen feng shui is to make sure your refrigerator is clean and tidy. Bathroom. Because bathrooms have a lot of drain, they can be a source of downward and depleting energy. To minimize this, it's a good idea to keep the bathroom door and toilet seat closed as much as possible. Since water represents the flow of wealth and money in Feng Shui, this can help to prevent money from flowing away from you. Finally, bedroom. Your bed and bedroom represent you, so this is the really important area to look at in Feng Shui and a great place to start. First, make sure your bed is in the commanding position. Next, check under the bed. It's not ideal to use this area as storage, since you spend a lot of passive time resting and sleeping here, so anything underneath you affects you energetically. If you need to store things under your bed for spare reasons, make sure you only have soft bed-related items like sheets and blankets. You can also add the earth element for support and nourishment. A great way to do this is with a square earth colored rug under the bed. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you later.